Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the Tapo P304M Smart Wi-Fi Power Strip from TP-Link. A power strip that might just be the perfect upgrade for your smart home setup. Whether you're looking for advanced safety features, seamless integration with your favorite smart home platforms, Matter compatibility, or detailed energy monitoring, this power strip has it all. Let's explore what makes it stand out and see if it is the right fit for your smart home. The Tapo P304M Smart Strip arrives neatly packaged in a compact box, professional packaging that reflects the product's high-quality design. Inside the box, you'll find the power strip itself, a quick start guide, a Matter FAQ setup guide, and the Matter setup code. The power strip itself features sleek and modern design. At just 260 millimeters long, it is unexpectedly compact while still offering 4 power outlets. The build quality feels solid, and TP-Link hasn't cut any corners when it comes to safety features. We have on the front of Smart Strip, there are 4 power outlets equipped with child safety shutters. The outlets are well spaced, accommodating a variety of plug sizes. For added convenience, each outlet has its own power button for manual control, eliminating the need to rely solely on the app. Each outlet on the Tapo P304M is equipped with an individual power status LED, providing clear visibility of device power states. Additional LEDs indicate Wi-Fi connection and surge protection status. The LED indicators can be fully disabled or configured for night mode, which automatically turns them off at a specified time. On back of the power strip, there are mounting holes 16 centimeters spaced apart, allowing you to securely wall mount this smart strip for a tidy installation. The Tapo P304M works seamlessly with the Tapo app, and with Matter compatibility, it adds another layer of functionality and opens up a world of possibilities, enabling seamless integration with major smart home platforms like Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, SmartThings, HomeAssistant, and many more. For setting up this smart strip on the Tapo app is simple and can be completed in a few minutes. First, download the Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Plug the Tapo P304M into a power outlet. Open the Tapo app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, and select Add New Device. The app will automatically detect the smart power strip. Select it, and the pairing process will begin. Once the pairing process is completed, 4 individual smart plugs will be displayed. You can assign device name here for each plugs or later in the app. Select location where you will place this smart strip. The app will check for the latest firmware and, if necessary, update the firmware. While firmware is being updated, do not turn off the power strip or press any button on the power strip. Once the setup is completed, 4 individual plugs will be available in the Tapo app, 1 for each power strip outlet. Now you will be able to toggle individual smart outlets on and off via the Tapo app. Plug in any device to test its functionality. Now setting up this power strip with Matter is straightforward. Scan the device's Matter setup QR code using a Matter-compatible smart home app like Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant, and follow the on-screen instructions. Detailed instructions are available on TP-Link's website, and a quick reference guide is included in the Matter FAQ booklet. Important note: while setting up this smart strip with Matter-compatible platform, choose your primary platform carefully. For security reasons, the Matter code can only be used once. Don't worry though, you can still add it to other platforms later using Matter's MultiAdmin feature. We'll discuss about this in more detail later in the video. For this demo, I will set up this smart strip with Apple HomeKit via Matter. Open Apple Home app. Scan the QR code provided in the box using the Apple Home app. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will detect the device and start pairing. Assign the smart strip a location and a unique name to avoid conflict with other devices. Choose how you want the strip to be displayed, and you can select automations from suggestions or create your own later. That's it. Your Tapo Smart Strip is now fully integrated with Apple HomeKit via Matter. Just like in the Tapo app, 4 individual plugs appear in the Apple Home app. Now let's discuss in detail about Matter MultiAdmin features. As I mentioned earlier, the Tapo P304M Smart Strip supports Matter's MultiAdmin feature, allowing you to control the device across multiple Matter-enabled ecosystems. This means you can connect this smart strip to Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, SmartThings, and many other platforms. With Matter's MultiAdmin, you can control the devices connected to each plug in the smart strip using voice commands or through the app of your choice. MultiAdmin breaks down the silos that have traditionally existed between different smart home ecosystems, giving you more flexibility and choice in how you control your devices. For example, one person in your home could control devices through Apple HomeKit while another uses Google Home. Let's set up Tapo P304M with another smart home platform. For this demo, I will set up this smart strip with HomeAssistant. To add the device to a second or subsequent Matter-enabled ecosystem, a new setup code must be generated within the first ecosystem where it was initially added, in our case, Apple HomeKit. Open the Apple Home app. Navigate to the smart strip in the Home app. Tap the settings icon, scroll to the bottom and tap Turn on Pairing Mode. The pairing code will be displayed. Copy the pairing code. Exit from the Home app. Now open the app of your choice. In this case, I will open HomeAssistant. In the HomeAssistant app, paste the QR code and press Setup. The HomeAssistant app will successfully pair the smart strip. HomeAssistant also recognizes the Tapo Power Strip as 4 individual plugs that can be controlled independently. Let's discuss about safety. The Tapo P304M is designed with safety and durability in mind, adhering to strict CE, UKCA, and RoHS product safety and environmental protection standards. Each outlet has child safety shutters. This power strip has a maximum load rating of 13 amperes or 3250 watts at 250 volts and features overload protection to automatically shut off an outlet when power consumption exceeds the predetermined threshold. This can be configured separately in Tapo app for each individual outlet. Additionally, the power strip is equipped with surge protection to safeguard your valuable electronics from damage caused by sudden power spikes. One of my favorite features is the comprehensive energy monitoring through the Tapo app. Each outlet can track energy usage independently, and you can view daily consumption patterns, monthly usage trends, yearly statistics, estimated costs based on your electricity rates, power in watts for up to 7 days. You can even export energy data to Excel files for further analysis. The Tapo P304M brings impressive automation capabilities to your fingertips through its Tapo app. Even you can create automation via other ecosystems like Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, HomeAssistant, and many more. At its heart are 4 powerful automation tools. Scheduling. Create customized routines for each outlet. For example, schedule your coffee maker to turn on with the sunrise or your holiday lights to illuminate precisely at sunset. Timer. Set countdown-based controls for each outlet. For example, set your phone charger to turn off after 2 hours. Away mode. Helps maintain the appearance of an occupied home by randomly activating and deactivating your connected devices. Smart actions. Create complex automations using a simple when-if-then structure. For example, when the sunset occurs, if the front door is locked, then turn on the porch light. The P304M also includes a thoughtful last device state feature. Each outlet can be configured to remember its previous state after a power outage, or you can set it to default to either on or off. The Tapo P304M combines premium features, robust safety measures, and future-proof matter compatibility into a compelling package. While it may be overkill for basic power strip needs, it's an excellent choice for smart home enthusiasts who want detailed control and monitoring of their devices. So, who is the Tapo P304M for? I recommend it if you want a reliable matter-certified power strip ensuring seamless integration with major smart home ecosystems. Need detailed energy monitoring? Value local control and privacy through Matter. That wraps up our review of the Tapo P304M Smart Power Strip. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have any questions, or if you're already using this power strip. I'd love to hear your experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.